Next, Telangana Amarula Dinotsavam, which is celebrated on 17th May, which is also known as Martyrs Day. Telangana Martyrs Day. Next, Telangana Formation Day, which is celebrated on 2nd June. As we all know, Telangana was formed in 2014 on 2nd June. Next, Telangana Protest Day, which is also celebrated on 2nd June, which is also known as Telangana Nirasana Dinam. Next, Telangana Anti-Revenge Day, which is celebrated on 3rd June. This is also observed by TPS, Telangana Praja Samiti, which was formed in 1969 by Anantula Madan Mohan, and later it was taken over by MCR Marri Chennareddy, which is also known as Paga Sadimpu Vyatireka Dinam. Next, Telangana Women's Day, which is celebrated on 17th June. This is also observed by TPS. On this day in 1969, women organized Satyagraha demanding the formation of Telangana state as a part of 1969 agitation. And the women leaders who have participated in the Satyagraha are Savitri Devi, Sumitra Reddy, Snehalata Reddy, Sadhana Reddy. Savitri Devi is the wife of MCR. Sumitra Reddy, Snehalata Reddy, Sadhana Reddy, along with Savitri Devi, are the 4 daughters of K.V. Rangareddy. They observed the Satyagraha at Sultan Bazaar. Next, Ishwari Bai, Secretary of Republican Party. She is observed at Secretariat. Next, Sada Lakshmi Shanta Bai at Mozamzahi Market. Next, Lakshmi Reddy, leader of TPS Women's Wing at RTC Crossroads. Next, Telangana Engineers Day on 11th July. Next, Telangana Flag Day on 12th July, which is also known as Telangana Pataka Dinotsavam. This was observed by TPS, Telangana Praja Samiti. On the same day in 1969, Telangana Protection Day, such as Telangana Parirakshana Dinam, was observed. Telangana Protection Day as a part of 1969 agitation. Next, Telangana Liberation Day, which is celebrated on 17 September. It is aimed to paying tribute to all those who gave their lives for the liberation of Hyderabad state and its merger with Indian Union on 17 September in 1948. On 17 September, Communists and Muslims observe this day as Telangana Betrayal Day. Next, Telangana Language Day, which is observed on 9th September. This is also known as Telangana Bhasha Dinotsavam, on the occasion of birth anniversary of Telangana poet Kaloji Narayan Rao. What is the title of Kaloji Narayan Rao? Please do comment in the comment section your answers. Next, Telangana Fighting Day, which is also known as Telangana Porata Dinam, observed on 15th April. Next, Telangana Black Flag Day, Nalla Jandala Dinam, observed on 10th July. Next, Telangana Anti-Traitors Day, which is observed on 19th July. This is also known as Vidrohula Vyatireka Dinam. Next, Telangana Candidates Day, which is observed on 1st November. Telangana Abhyardula Dinam. Next, Day of Martyrs Sacrifice, which is observed on 9th December. This was observed by Telangana Praja Front. This is also known as Amaraveerula Tyaga Falita Dinam. So far I have discussed 18 important days of Telangana. Please try to revise them on daily basis. Please do comment your suggestions and also like and share the video. Thank you.